All right. Everyone should have something that looks just like this. This is your sprint for today. Now, we are going to practice multiplying by what we worked on last week, which were sixes. Okay, so you're going to practice multiplying by sixes. And if you notice, if you look across, 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5, 6 times 1. So that first little chunk actually is in order. So if you just count by sixes, that would help you a lot for the rest of the page. Okay, the rest of the page doesn't quite go in order, but those top 5 do. So right below this video, there's a timer for 2 minutes. I want you to see how far you can get in 2 minutes. When you're done, you can upload a picture of this to Seesaw.